Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful daisy flower step by step. Let's get started. To crochet this flower I'm using medium weight yarn and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Now let's start making the flower. First I make a magic ring. I chain 1, into the magic ring I crochet 10 single crochets. My 10 single crochets are ready. I tighten the magic ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet like this. I yarn over and pull through. Then I pull that loop through the other loop to join. I chain 3. I yarn over twice and make a treble crochet into the space below. I yarn over again and make another treble crochet into the same space. And again I make third treble crochet into the same space. In total I made 3 treble crochets. I chain 3. I slip stitch into the next chain space. My first petal is ready. I chain 3. I yarn over twice and in the next space I make 3 treble crochets. My 3 treble crochets are ready. I chain 3. I slip stitch into the next chain space. My second petal is ready. I chain 3. In the next space I make 3 treble crochets. I chain 3. I slip stitch into the next space. Now I have 3 petals ready. I will crochet 2 more petals to make a total of 5 petals and come back. I finished the last 2 petals. I chain 3 and slip stitch into the last space. I chain 1 and cut the yarn. I tie the loose ends together at the back and trim them. My flower is ready. Now let's crochet the center bud. I will use yellow yarn for the center. I leave a long tail. I make a magic ring again. Into the ring, I crochet 10 single crochets. I tighten the yarn and slip stitch into the first stitch. I chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving it long again. I pull the magic ring tight and pass the yarn through the joining point. Now I take my flower and place the center in the middle. I pull one yarn to the back, then the other. I use wire to secure them and tie the yellow yarns together. My flower is ready. Now let's make the leaves. For the leaves, I use green yarn. I make a slip knot. I chain 8. My chains are ready. One single crochet. One half double crochet. Three double crochets. One half double crochet. One single crochet. I chain 2 and turn. Into the last stitch I make one single crochet, one half double crochet, three double crochets. One half double crochet, one single crochet. I join with a slip stitch. I chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. My leaf is ready. I crochet one more leaf. We will use 2 leaves. Now let's assemble the flower. I apply some glue to the back. Then I wrap the green yarn neatly around the back. I place one leaf and keep wrapping. Then I add the second leaf and continue wrapping. I keep wrapping until I reach the bottom. My flower is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet videos. See you in the next one.